sit on here? Look. Look.
I think he is.
Because he's wobbly.
And he's holding on to something.
He's going. It's supposed to be relaxing. What energy. He needs a walker.
Ow! What are you doing, baby?
Yeah.
You gonna sit there?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Okay, I'll sit over there, but I don't want you to fall.
Say, sit down.
Making me nervous.
What is it?
Your socks. Oh, look, you're Spider-Man. Wow. Cool. See, I got one too. You gotta be
A, B, C's.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
Do Eensy Beensy Spider?
Me.
Do Eensy Beensy Spider.
I want to check a cashew.
Eensy Beensy Spider went up the water spout. Do it. Down came the rain and whoosh, the spider out. Do patty cake? Patty cake? Do patty cake. Go. Patty cake, patty cake. Baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. You roll it. You stuff it. Put it in the oven. One for baby, one for mama. Yay. Oh. Do Eensy Beensy Spider?
Yeah.
Eensy Beensy Spider.
Madre. Madre.
Yay. Look at his face. Mom watch.
You should try to hold him and like relax him.
You want to come sit down with Mama?
Rub his head, maybe hopefully.
No. Oh, you should
Just
say,
So bossy.
say, sit down. Tell her, sit down. Can you say bye-bye? Bye. Blow kisses. What about Mama?
We're calling.
Yeah.
Oh, your eyes look droopy. How many shots of tequila did you have? Do you have some nonotada? Oh.
You want to sit with Mama and watch a movie? Oh.